Hi guys, in this video we are discussing the question number one. Question number one is that you can see the which of the collection are the sets, collections of all the months of a year beginning with letter J, the collection of most talented writers of India, and the collection of all less than 100, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. देखिए यहाँ पे सबसे पहले कि कौन सा इसमें से सेट है ये बताना है. So first saying that the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So letter J months are January, July and June. Actually these are countable and these are well defined. So that is a collection of all sets, right? This is a collection of a set because uh, in this there are total 3 months are available. In the second one, the collection of most talented writers of India. This is not a set because of the reason is that you cannot define who is the writers of India and who is the best writer of India. So that's why this is not a set. The third one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. It means that 1 to 99 numbers. This is actually a set because this represent a finite numbers from 1 to 99. Fourth one is a collection of the most dangerous animals of the world. This is not a set because we cannot define the actual dangers, which because we don't know uh, the actual dangerous animals in this world. Anyone can dangers in this world, so that's why this is not a set. Thank you so much. I hope like this video.